Land is not just property. Land is history. Land is identity. Land is the foundation for future generations. But in the aftermath of disaster, when chaos and uncertainty reign, there are those who circle like vultures, disaster capitalists, ready to snatch away your heritage for pennies on the dollar. This is the Land Defender's Guide: how to protect your heritage after a disaster. And if you own land anywhere in the Pan-African world, this message is urgent. Let's talk about the predator's playbook. The moment disaster strikes, whether it's a hurricane, flood, or political upheaval, these opportunists move fast. You'll get unsolicited cash offers in your mailbox, on your phone, sometimes even at your front door. They'll tell you, "Sell now before things get worse." They'll create false urgency, play on your fears, and downplay the true long-term value of your land. They might even say, "Everyone else is selling, you should too." But remember, quick cash today can mean lost legacy tomorrow. So how do you protect yourself and your community? Here's your 5-point protection plan. First, pause and breathe. Don't let fear or panic push you into a rushed decision. Take a moment. Step back. Your land has survived generations. It can survive this moment too. Second, verification everything. Don't trust offers at face value. Research who's making the offer. Are they a local neighbor or an out-of-town speculator? Check their credentials. If something feels off, it probably is. Third, know your rights and know your value. Understand what your land is truly worth, not just today, but for the future. Consult with trusted advisors, family, or local community organizations. Don't let anyone tell you your land is worthless. Fourth, explore alternatives to selling. There are options like community land trusts, where land is held collectively for the benefit of generations. You can lease, partner, or even develop your land in ways that keep it in your family's hands. And fifth, build a unified community. One person standing alone is vulnerable, but a united community is powerful. Organize, share information, and look out for each other. When you defend your land together, you defend your future. Let's zoom out to the Pan-African lens. Our ancestors survived the Mangamizi, the great disaster of enslavement and colonial theft. They fought to hold on to land, to culture, to sovereignty. Every acre you protect is an act of resistance. Every boundary you defend is a declaration. We are still here. We are not for sale. Land is not just dirt. It's the sacred ground where your ancestors walked, where your children will build, where your story continues. Don't let disaster capitalists rewrite your legacy. Share this video with anyone who needs to hear it. Subscribe to Jetson for more guides on protecting what matters most. Your land, your legacy, your future. Defend it together.